How to share a file on Dropbox. Sharing a file on Dropbox, it's pretty easy and straightforward. Firstly, go to Dropbox, log into your Dropbox account. To share a file, firstly you need to upload the file. So what are you going to do to upload the file? Once you've logged in, hit on this upload option and then select file and then choose the file from your computer which one you want to upload. So just choose that, hit on open, and that would start uploading the file. Or you can also drag and drop it here as well. All right, so as you can see, that the file has now been uploaded, so I can view that on my Dropbox list here. So now what we're going to do, we're going to create a sharing link to share this. So to do that, simply select the file that you want to share and then click on the share option. So click on the share option and you will see, get to this page, this screen here. So here what you can do, you can simply click on copy the link. Okay, simply click on copy the link and then you can share this link and you can just paste it in an email, text or any other platform to just share it with whomever you want. Okay, or else you can also share it directly, you can also share it through Dropbox. If you hit on these add people option here, click on add people and then add the name or the email of the person who you want to share it with, select them. You can add a message if you want to and also click on share. So now when you share it through Dropbox, you have the option like the file that you're sharing, whether it's only for viewing, you want the person to just view it, or you want them to edit as well. So that option you can select it from here. If you click on this arrow here, you can allow whether for them to just view it only, or if you want to edit it, you can click on can edit as well, so they can view and edit it as well, and then hit on the share option, and that's it. So that's how you share files on Dropbox. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.